In front of me is OPPO A1K, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this smartphone. First of all, open Settings, scroll down a bit and choose Sound and Vibration. Over here you can right away click on the sweater next to Vibrate on Call. This way you can enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on the sweater next to Vibrate when silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. Then scroll down and click on the sweaters in System Feedback section to enable or disable vibrations for iPad tone and lock screen tone. You can also turn on or off touch vibrations by tapping on the sweater next to Vibrate on Touch. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!